Fire paramedics, operator 174. What is the address of the emergency?
Heavy Send Career.
Okay, so Heavy Send Career. The crew has located the lost hikers.
Tonight, new GPS technology is helping 911 dispatchers in Baldwin County,
the city of Austin,
of Jessamine counties,
Livingston County,
Gratiot County,
Fort Morgan,
Los Angeles,
Northern Kentucky County.
save valuable time during life or death situations.
A small plane crash site was quickly found in an isolated area of the Port of Los Angeles, one of hundreds of calls where what 3 words lowered response times.
First responders found a man floating in Mobile Bay after his kayak capsized more than a mile from shore.
3 words are easier to communicate, especially when a caller may be in crisis or in a panic.
Freeways, river rescue incidents, the marine environment.
It really takes the search out of search and rescue.